How to cancel Shopify free trial. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will show you step by step how to do so. It is actually a very simple process, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First step is going to be deleting all the apps that you have installed. This is because some apps require subscription after a while and you don't really want to keep them installed after you close your store. Maybe they will actually, start charging you for it. So you want to go to your Shopify main dashboard, click on settings from the bottom left corner. From here, you simply just want to click on apps and sales channels. Right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different apps that we have installed. Now, online store and point of sale are going to be there for you, so no need to remove them. But anything else that you have, you simply just want to uninstall right away. Once you're done with this step, you simply just want to go to the plan section within the settings. So just click on plan, which should be the second option. And from here, you should be able to see all the different subscriptions from here. So again, you can feel free to double check and remove any existing subscriptions that you have. And then once you're done with this, go back to plan. And then from here, you simply can just click on cancel trial, as you can see over here. This is basically just going to deactivate your subscription with Shopify, end your free trial, and you're pretty much good to go. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.